Today we're going to speak about remote app maintenance mode in the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.4 console. This is a new feature to allow administrators to take applications, specific applications offline for users in order to perform maintenance, and furthermore to provide a friendly message to those users when they try to launch those applications. So currently, if you did this within a standard AVD environment, you would receive a no resources available message, and this would be not particularly friendly for the user to interpret. And we're looking to resolve that issue. So the way that we perform actions here is that we specify an application, in this instance Windows Media Player, and we choose maintenance mode for that application. We can enable it, and we can choose a specific message. Sorry, it's not available. Once enabled, that user will then attempt to launch applications within the pool. As you can see, we have WordPad available to users and Windows Media Player available, but currently in maintenance mode. And maintenance mode is denoted by the spanner and screwdriver icon that we can see here. Once the application is launched, the user can continue to work on this normally. However, when they attempt to launch the application in maintenance mode, we can see they receive the message that we specified. Hopefully, this new feature simplifies the process of administration for remote applications and provides a more user-friendly interface when applications are under maintenance. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again.